Baby, you ready for the show? There's a lot of birds out here today. There's this little chubby bird lives around here this year. I think he's old because he don't care anymore. He'll just fly right up to you. I don't know what kind of bird that is. Red-headed dude, I guess. And baby's checking him out. He flew right up to me one time. I had already shut the camera off, so I missed it. And then Mama Cat tried to get him. She jumped about 4 feet, but she missed him, flying down the driveway. I bet I could walk right up to him, but I don't want to disturb the feeding. The birds are getting ready to feed. There he is. Yep. Tufted titmouse. He said titmouse. Oh, behind there, I can't see him. That was another titmouse. I'm gonna say titmouse all day, I think. That's my plan. Yeah, that little guy's still on the rock over there. He's not gonna move. He's having a good time doing what he wants. He's old and says screw it. If you can catch me, good luck. Whoa, having a little clash. This is my guy. This is Michael Moore of birds. I wonder how old Michael Moore is. Older than me, I hope. Older and slower. I'd take him camping with me in case there was bears. Alright, well, this is getting ridiculous. I'm gonna stop.